Welcome to the Monday Make, a series of STEAM do-it-yourself videos brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. I'm Christian, a library assistant with Youth Services. Today we're going to make a calligraphy bookmark. Are you ready to make something?
Here are the supplies you'll need to make a calligraphy bookmark. You will need a Chinese character practice worksheet, a sheet of cardboard or construction paper, a pencil, a ruler, and a writing utensil with a wide tip, such as a calligraphy pen, marker, or paint pen. If you would like to add ribbon to your bookmark, you will also need a spool of ribbon and a hole punch. Be careful with the ink as it might stain your clothes. Remember kids, before you start any DIY project, be sure you have permission from your grown-up. First, we will take our Chinese character practice worksheet. I have a few worksheets here that help me practice writing numbers 1 through 5 in Chinese characters. Notice that there are grids that help me draw each stroke of the characters in the right place. With your grown-up's permission, you can look at these sheets online to find any characters you'd like to write, such as characters for animals, planets, and stars, or anything else. Look for a worksheet that has arrows telling you in which direction to write each stroke, and make sure to follow the arrows and guidelines. This is important for writing Chinese characters. I'm going to practice writing numbers 1 through 5 a few times on my worksheets. Next, let's take our sheet of paper and pencil. We will trace a rectangle using our ruler. You can decide what size you'd like your bookmark, but I'm going to make mine 2 inches by 7 inches. Now, I'm going to cut out my bookmark. Then, I'm going to use my hole punch to punch a hole near the top of the bookmark. Be sure to leave space at the top so that the hole doesn't tear open. I will now cut out a piece of ribbon, about 9 inches long. Next, I'm going to thread it through the bookmark and tie a knot at the other end. Now, I will use my pencil to trace numbers 1 through 5 on my bookmark. Remember to draw each stroke as you did on your worksheet, writing them in the proper place and in the right direction. Then, I'm going to take my pen and draw over what I've traced in pencil. Did you know? Chinese characters are logograms, which means that each character represents a single word or sound. These characters form the oldest, continuously used writing system in the world. Chinese characters are used in other languages as well, including Cantonese and Japanese, and have historically been used to write Korean and Vietnamese as well. When the ink has dried, you can erase the pencil marks. And there you have it, your own calligraphy bookmark.
Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun making calligraphy bookmarks with us. Please share your finished project with us on Instagram. Ask your grown-up to take a photo and post it using hashtag #TheMondayMake and hashtag Mach1PPL. And make sure you don't miss our next video. Subscribe to Phoenix Public Library's YouTube channel. This STEAM DIY video has been brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. We're a space for makers, artists, crafters, and hackers. What will you make next?